This video is just for demo purposes. The deep configuration, full process, end-to-end implementation, real time with the business, I will explain you in training. So let's consider this entire boundary. This is entire boundary like a wall. Okay. In this boundary, this is your warehouse building under the boundary. Okay. So we have one area here. You can consider this is the gate, checkout gate. And you can consider this is another area. Here we have some kind of lines, or like this we consider as a bin. I will explain you. Okay. Suppose this is the yard. This is entire area is a yard. We have one gate here. Suppose. And this is one area here we have. We have some kind of sections, bins here. And in the yard, we have the warehouse building. Suppose this is a warehouse building. Here we have the gates, docking gates. This is quick example. Suppose you have a truck. Truck is coming inside the warehouse. Before entering the truck into the warehouse, the truck needs to go through this gate. So this gate we take as an storage type, storage section and storage bin. So here we consider as a check-in point. So suppose there is a gate, there is a like small gate. So there security guard sits here. When truck comes into the warehouse, this security guard check the health of the driver. That security guard checks the tire pressures, air pressures. The security guard checks waybill number. The security guard checks inbound delivery number. The security guard check the material inside the truck. The warehouse, these workers check the health. We can say the health of the truck, means it does not like releasing any gas or any oil. If everything is fine, and through the system, the warehouse, this security guard will check. Suppose in the warehouse building, already we have 3 trucks here. So in this moment, 3 doors are not available. Okay, these 3 doors are not available for unloading purposes, for put away purposes, for inbound process in our warehouse. So security guard, we give the signal, then this truck will go and dock or park into the parking zone. We consider as a parking area, inbound parking zone. And when suppose this truck finishes the unloading task, okay, then this truck will move to this outbound parking zone. Here the warehouse, again another security person will check before leaving this truck out of the warehouse or yard. This security guard will check if this warehouse, this truck driver is not carrying anything, or like carrying any material or stealing any material or stealing any material from the warehouse. If everything is fine, then this truck will go out. So in my this implementation process in Twin, I design all these things step by step. This is a demo. So this area, entire this empty area, this entire empty area, we consider one storage type. This entire area, this area, empty area, we consider as an storage type, which is the yard, which is nothing but the yard storage type. So in the implementation, okay, now suppose this truck went out, so this area is available. So this truck will go from here, then it will dock here, then it will do the same process, then again checking, then come out. So here we need to assign each and every bin. This is also a bin, temporary bins. We need to linkage each and every bin with the storage type, yard storage type. This I will explain you in the implementation deeply how. But for now, so here we can see. So suppose in your warehouse, if you have 2, 5, 10 vehicles, we no need to implement the yard management. This is the yard. Entire areas we consider as a yard. These are the bins. This is the parking zone. Sometimes in some warehouses we have the mixed parking zone. Sometimes in the some warehouses we have the separate parking zone for outbound, for inbound processes. The same thing here we have. Okay. In the implementation, we assign each bin, check-in bin, check-out bin, docking bin. This is also a bin where truck stands. Okay, these are also bin. We need to assign these bins. This is the bin, parking bin, to the yard storage type. This we need to attach to the yard storage type, because I say this entire area is the yard storage type. This we need to assign here to the yard storage type. This we need to assign here to the yard storage type. This we need to assign to the yard storage type. Because yard says, if you want to do movement with me, any kind, you need to assign with me the particular bin. Means yard says, if this truck wants to dock here or wants to dock here in the inbound gate, this particular bin where truck stands, you need to attach this area with me. Yard says, then I will let you do the movement. Okay, this is a complex which I will explain you in the trainings. So this is the document which it's like more deeply. So here what I do, what I have explained, this is the complex process. So here I created one truck, custom transportable unit or custom vehicle, Z truck. So this is nothing but a packaging material itself, because in the truck we put the material. Okay, here I use the POSC process, entire POSC complex process. And here I created the transportable unit, moment I created. Then I assign the transportable unit to the yard, because if truck is coming, I said you, yard says if you want any movement with any bin, with any type, you need to attach with me. So that's why the transportable unit here I linked with the yard storage type. This area you see this entire area, see this entire is the one storage type, which is not permanent. Here we cannot put the material or product. This is just temporary storage type. Then I created one unloading task, because if truck comes into your warehouse, dock to the warehouse, then you need to do the unloading. Then I confirmed, I use the RFUI devices. So this is complex process, and So in my training, I give the particular processes training also. Some people, they want to get the only training in the, for an example, scrapping in real time, each and every steps how we do the implementation with the fresh warehouse. Or some people, they want to just learn process oriented storage control, that's it. Some people, they want to learn just layout oriented storage control. Some people, they want to learn how to customize the RF device technically, development screens. Some people, they want to learn how we do the yard management, how we create entire implement the yard. So the specific also I give the training on the specific processes. So here I covered each and everything to work with the complex process, and here we see for multiple vehicles we need to implement the yard for a warehouse, not for one or two vehicle. This is just demo class, and for more inquiry you can mail me on ngmahanas.it@gmail.com. Thank you guys, see you next. Thank you.